Welcome back to Motivation Pulse, your home for all things productivity and self-improvement. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a motivational beat. Hey there, champs. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as elusive as a sock in a laundry, yet as crucial as coffee on a Monday morning: time management. This, my friends, is your ultimate guide to becoming a time-bending master. Time management is like playing Tetris with your schedule. If you don't fit everything in exactly right, it's game over. And let's be honest, who hasn't felt that game over moment when you realize you've binge-watched an entire series but forgot to do your laundry? But in all seriousness, mastering your time is about more than just avoiding underwear crises. It's about maximizing your productivity, reducing stress, and making room for the things you love. So how do we tame this wild beast we call time? Here are some strategies that even Dr. Strange would approve. Tip 1. Prioritize. Some tasks are as important as a heart and organism. Others are as important as appendix. Know which is which. Tip 2. Break down your tasks. Remember, even the tallest mountain is climbed step by step. Or, if you're like me, coffee cup by coffee cup. Tip 3. Avoid multitasking. It's like trying to watch a movie and read a book at the same time. At the end, you'll miss the plot in both. Now on to some tools that can help you manage your time like a pro, because let's face it, we could all use an extra hand, or in this case, an extra app. We've got tools like Google Calendar for scheduling, Trello for task management, and Forest for staying focused. It's like having your own personal assistant, but without the awkward small talk. Now that we've got the theory and the tools, let's put it all together. Let's create a hypothetical day in the life of a time management master, shall we? From planning your day the night before to taking regular breaks to setting achievable goals, mastering your time is all about finding what works for you. Remember, we're all different, just like every pizza is unique. But at the end of the day, it's all pizza, and it's all good. So my time wizards, that's your ultimate guide to mastering time management. Remember, time might fly like an arrow. With these tips, you'll be the archer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. After all, sharing is caring, right? Until next time, this is Motivation Pulse, helping you beat to your best rhythm. And remember, you got the time to make it happen.